Hello 21st century educators, and welcome to another technology tip to help you work smarter and not harder. But before we begin, remember YouTube channel and remember to click that bell so that you know when we have more videos posted. Also remember to like and comment under our videos and feel free to share with us what you would like to hear about next. So let's dive straight in. So ways in which I work smarter, not harder. So I'm going to show you a little trick where it comes to how to manipulate your photos and your pictures to use in your presentations. All right, so let's get started. Have you ever started a presentation in PowerPoint, in Google Slides, and then you come upon, you choose the perfect picture, but the background blocks out all your text, so it's not easy to fit, and you really want to get rid of that background? Let me show you a really easy trick. So we're going to start by bringing up our PowerPoint, just so you can see very quickly. So this is a PowerPoint. And of course, you want to search for your favorite photos. So I went ahead and I searched for animated dogs. So let's just choose this one, quite a cutie. And we're going to save image as. All right, so we can find it easily. So when we go back to our PowerPoint and we insert that image from our device, which we just found, and we insert it, our image blocks our text. So we want to put maybe X, and maybe we wanted to put our image right somewhere here, but we wanted to put our text, but our text is now being blocked because our image is not transparent. So we have a couple ways that we can remove this background. So step number one of my favorite websites, go to remove background. So it's www.remove.bg. And literally, when you go here, you drop your file in there, removes your background, and you download. So I'm going to go back. This is my original picture. I'm going to go back now to the one that I just downloaded. You'll see the difference. It says remove BG. So when I insert, you would notice it is fully transparent. So I can move it exactly where I want. Let's compare. So this is the one with the removed background. This is the one, the original file. So to remove your background and just keep the photo to now have a transparent picture, remove background is one of my favorite tools. Very easy to use. It does not require you to know any technical skills, literally just to drag and drop inside of there and then download. So that's one. Second way of doing that, and we're going to go back to our original photo, is in PowerPoint itself. So I don't know how many of you would have noticed, but PowerPoint actually allows you to remove the background as well. It literally says remove background. If you can't find it, you can always search in your search bar and it will bring it up for you. So you click remove background and you would notice this purple thing comes up. Now you would notice that the heart on the dog as well as the eyes have been removed because PowerPoint defaults to removing any white on your photo. Of course, you don't want the white removed. You don't want your heart because then you're going to get a blank space. So what you do, you go to mark areas to keep and you click. There you go. My eye has returned and you want your heart also get back here. So you can do this and there you go. And then you put keep changes and now your picture is also transparent. So those are two quick tips. If you need to remove the backgrounds of your photos, you can go to an online source, which is Remove Background. The website is www.removebg, or you can do it right in PowerPoint with the Remove Background. And remember, if it removes more than you would like, all you have to do is click Keep Area, click it until it returns, and then accept changes. So 21st century educators, I do hope that these tips were very helpful in helping you to organize your pictures on your presentation just as you would like. So leave us a comment if these tips were helpful. And I'll see you next time where I give you some more tips where you can work smarter, not harder. Bye.